Our balance is currently $378,934.20, and we are going to take just a couple of trades. And I actually see a wonderful setup right here. All you need is just a couple horizontal lines and a couple of trend lines, and we'll see what's going on. And I'm going to take it up anyways because I don't know what this is doing. We have 46 seconds to find out, and this is as scrolled in as we could possibly get. Oh, and we screwed up. We're supposed to be at a minute, so now we need a couple of those. This is 100% why you need to make sure you are looking at the plus M1 and that it ends with a 00. Okay, we initially lost 2, but then we took how many? So we lost 2 and then we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are up 4. Okay, because we went up across the top of the CCI and we broke out of this channel, that is the reason why I took that trade. You can clearly see that the CCI is up, the Williams is up. That is a clear indication to take a buy. And we're actually going to leave it there, 395. So I caught it right before it went and broke that top. All right. Smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you want to learn how to do this and actually make money trading, then hey, this is the channel for you. And you can get access to all 6 of my courses for free. And you can also join my Discord where I post multiple times per day. All right. So I will see you guys on the next breakdown. And don't forget, I launched a brand new trading room where you can trade live with me. It's a live class every single day.